Welcome to our English lesson for Year 3 simplified version with me, Miss Dowley. So let's start by writing the long date and then underlining it, and the learning objective. I can write my myth to entertain and underlining that. So what I'd like you to do for our sentence level work is to continue to practice your spellings from yesterday. Maybe try one or two of the activities on the next page. So have a think about one or two of these that you could use to practice your spellings. Pause whilst you have a go. So we're going to use our plan from yesterday to start writing out our mythical story. So here is Miss Cosler's plan for her story. So we can see she's got an introduction to the setting. Her character is Yanni, who's strong and fearless. He's a prince and he lives in a palace by the Aegean Sea. His hero is told about a monster, which is a lion ache, which is powerful and dangerous. The villagers tell Yanni about the lion ache, destroying crops and homes and breathing fire. So here in Hero Travels to the Monster, she said it's in the desert, it's scorching, vast, dry and voyaged. Collects something to slay the monster, which is a golden net from Athena that shrinks the beast when caught. And then the hero slays the monster. Yanni sets traps and acts as bait. He's courageous and slayed. Lionache, fierce, spewed and glared. And he moves out of the way so that Lionache gets captured in the golden net and shrinks. And then the hero becomes a hero or not. She's put, becomes a hero to the villagers, exhausted and triumphant. But Athena is unhappy as he does not return the net. So let's have a try. So I'm going to use Miss Cosler's plan to write my story, but you'll use your own plan. So I had a try at writing this earlier. In a land far away lived a young man called Yanni. He lived in a palace next to the Aegean Sea. Yanni was a strong, fearless prince. One day, whilst Yanni was eating his breakfast, a villager came in and told Yanni that a monster was burning homes and crops in the village. The villager told Yanni that the monster was a lion ache who was very powerful and dangerous. He told him he lived in the desert. So that's the start of my story using Miss Cosler's plan. Your chance now is to write your story. Now remember, we want to make it exciting. We want to entertain the reader. But also remember that we have these word banks to help us. So if you get stuck with words that you could use or adjectives, have a look on here, okay, and see if there's any words that you could use from this. And when you're describing your monster, are there any words here that you could use? Good luck with your writing. I can't wait to see what you do. Thank you.